What's up, you guys? It's Avalon. I'm going to be exploring this abandoned railroad station. The tracks underneath it are still open, but the building is out of service currently. Like, look at this thing. It is just in ruins. So I'm here with my boyfriend Casey.
What's up?
And Spencer is on the other side of the fence right now. So we're about to go in. See you in a minute. There's so much crap everywhere. You look at all the graffiti. You can tell a lot from a place about its graffiti. But I don't see anything like bad yet. Oh, I see it's just a bunch of like tagging, really. Why? The floor seems pretty stable. It's stone, so. Come here. Let's go this way. What's down here? Oh, these are the stairs from that. Oh no, it's not. There's the stairs. Those things are creepy. Thank you. I'd rather go up these. Hold on. Let me just. Yeah, don't be too loud. I don't want anybody calling the cops at us. Hi, Spencer.
Okay.
You think you can get out this way? No, it's chained from the inside. Oh, this is the CVS parking lot. That's where we parked. Yo, do you see that hole in the wall? Want a bag of onions, Paul? No. Yeah, someone turn on a flashlight. It's getting dark in this room. What do you think was back here? Oh, look, filing cabinets. Wait. What's in it?
Nothing.
Ew. Wait, hold on. Look. Over here. Shine it to the desk. Somebody came in here and like ripped everything apart. There's nothing in here. Oh, what is this? There's a stage? That's where we came in. Yo, this is super sketchy. Spencer, I'd be careful on that thing. I don't know how sturdy that is. Look at all this graffiti, guys. Yo. You could tell, hey, look, there's another door here, but it's been boarded off. One, what? What?
I found the stairs, but they...
Oh, they ripped them out, so no one can get out. What's in here? Oh, this is just where we came from. We came through that door. Okay, Casey, get out of the way. Christ. Look at that view. On the train tracks. And you can see like all the hills back there. It's pretty sick. I hate you. Stop. What do you say? Oh, you found the control room?
Yeah, that was all.
Help me, I can't get it. Oh god, it's so dark in here.
Look at that.
What?
Look at that.
Oh shit.
That's old.
Yeah, I think this place is pretty sturdy. Oh shit. I just stepped on a nail. No, I just stepped on a nail. It didn't go through my shoe all the way at least. Want to turn them on?
No.
See what happens?
Fucking thing comes falling down.
You want a pallet? Did you got all that wood in the back of your car? No, that pallet's stuck in this thing.
That one?
No, it's right in this area, so I wouldn't even walk on that.
Right there.
Yeah, I just like almost stabbed my foot completely with it. Oh, look, it just dripped water on me. Oh wait, look, it's a lady. Casey.
Spencer,
Look, it's a lady. No. We're gonna make too much noise. I don't want to get the cops called. Because we'll get arrested. This is trespassing. Even though I didn't see any trespassing signs, so I'm gonna be completely honest. Let's go up here. We missed up here. It was just some little like platform type thing. Oh shit! This thing has like fallen. I'm just gonna stay away from that. Sup? Oh. I'm up here. Should I stand on a ledge? I'm not gonna jump. I'll kill you. No. Yo, this is awesome. Look at this. No, we are not going up there. No, we're not going up there. You know how unsturdy that is? Is that a flag hanging there? What is that? Hang on, I'm coming back down. I can't hear you, I'm coming back down. Just wait. Are you selling over here? Oh shit. This place echoes so bad. You found what? Really? What's on it?
I don't know. I haven't picked it up.
There's a Polaroid. You want a door?
Yeah. Huh.
Do not yank that string. I will hurt you. Why? What's over there? Anything interesting? Oh, look at the little trail.
Huh?
That's cute.
Oh.
There's one on the other side too. No, I do not want to go in there. That seems dark. I don't want to go in there, guys. Why do you do this to me?
Alright, cover your face. I don't have type of fucking shit.
Yeah, I don't know what kind of powder this is, but...
Oh my god, it goes back there too.
What?
It goes back that way too. That way.
Oh, it's gotta be shit from the ceiling.
Yeah.
There's definitely asbestos in this part.
Oh my god, there's another room that way.
Oh, the cutscenes are kind of flashlight in there.
There's another room that way.
Find it this way. No, it's just a wall.
You wanna go that way?
No, fuck no. Bitch, are you stupid? Want a fridge?
Yeah.
Actually, like, I want to open it, but I'm scared to open it.
Yeah. And your train.
What is that? What's a rock? That smells disgusting. There goes another train. Choo-choo motherfuckers.
I
Oh,
think
look at
that says left,
Yeah,
like my left nut.
really. You just think you're so funny, don't you?
A little bit.
Okay, I kind of want to go up those creepy stairs that we saw before.
There's a store here.
That are down the hall, yeah. And see where it goes.
What, that? Oh, it's an elevator shaft. That's what those cables were.
Stay away from it.
That's what those cables were.
Yo.
Yep. Oh shit! There's the train tracks.
Oh shit. What's that?
Oh.
You can go first. I don't know
Something
what
smells funky.
Yeah, it could be a dead animal. I'm hoping. What if I drop it there?
Oh, I found where other people get in.
No fucking way.
How do you get there?
I don't want to go down here. It smells disgusting.
Yeah. Well, this is the basement. That's awesome.
Want some goobs? You think this is where I like bought tickets?
Look, it's. No, it's got fucking water.
Please get away from there. I do not want you falling down that.
How does my eye look? This one.
You're really gonna get like a rust in your eye. There's another door. Do you think this is where people like bought tickets? Because it looks like the little service windows. Yeah. Damn, look at all the graffiti here too.
I feel like the
666.
reason why they closed it down was because all the fucking water.
It says 666. Hey, I just slid. That is wet. I just slid. Find me a can of spray paint. That isn't broken. Oh, yours. Hey, who's in here? That's what we can sprint. Find another way out. There's so much glass everywhere. I have so much glass in my shoes. Wait, the floor collapsed?
Oh yeah.
Where?
There's a little puddle.
Where?
Right down there.
Oh,
That's probably why people don't come that way anymore.
Alright, come on, let's get away from this area. You want some cups?
There's a cup still right there.
That's what I just said. I said, you want some cups? There's one right there.
Oh my god, that dog creeps me out.
Huh?
That dog creeps me out.
Dog.
Behind you.
Yo, I didn't even fucking see that. That's creepy as fuck. Should we take it?
No.
Why? Oh, there goes the train. Why don't we take it? That'd be cool. Especially if there's a little demon inside of it. Look at this part of the drawer from the desk we saw earlier.
Hey, you want paper?
Oh, what? No. I'm gonna shank you. Some glass.
I'm very curious.
We are not going down here.
I'm curious what that. Yeah, I wouldn't trust going into that.
I don't want to go through that. That's definitely where people have come in. We are nature. What the fuck? Oh, look, we are nature. Alrighty then. Empty. I think I just cut my hand.
Also,
Empty. What?
this whole place is probably has asbestos.
Oh, there definitely was a ticket booth because there's a little canopy that was over it. Oh, they still have stuff in it. Oh, it's a finish. Oh, it's silver. Never mind.
Yeah, but how are you gonna spray it?
Like that. Hold this. That one blew up.
Is that a subwoofer? Oh, it was.
I don't think so.
It's the fucking Flintstone circle wheel thing. Invention. The fucking Flintstone invention wheel.
Like actually though.
Oh my
What
god,
is
that's so
this?
funny. I have no idea. What does it say?
I don't know, I can't read that. What even is this?
Fucking jukebox.
Oh yeah, it is a jukebox. Oh shit, that's broken. I hear another train. Alright, we should probably get out of here. Wait, I want to take one of these like buttons.
What's like this?
Take the whole jukebox? Yeah, you can have fun carrying it out because I'm not. Is this another elevator shaft?
Yes.
This one goes up though, we're at the bottom. That's gross. Yeah. Shut up.
What?
What'd you say?
Said they might have taken that car out already.
Probably. Alright, we should head out now. Before somebody actually does call the police. Alright. I would say you guys can come to this place, just be very weary. It's a little wet and definitely rusted. Yeah, don't come here after it rains like we did. But I would say it's a pretty cool spot to come check out. But that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next one.